Hey guys, and welcome back to Always Be Learning. You know, when you run out of foaming hand soap, don't recycle the bottle, refill it. It's actually pretty easy to make your own foaming hand soap solution. So unscrew the top and rinse it out if you like. Now remember, you'll need a foaming pump for this to work. I'm just going to use some common hand soap for this. You could use a mild dish soap as well if you're in a pinch. We only want to fill it about 1/8 of the way up, and the rest will be water. That should be good. Try to use hot or warm water to fill the rest of the bottle. Go against the side of the bottle so that it doesn't foam up too much. Using hot water helps the soap to dissolve easier. After you screw the top back on, rotate the bottle to help mix the water and the soap. Shaking it may actually make it foam up too much. Now it may look cloudy at first, but it should settle down into a nice clear solution. And that's it, you're ready to start washing your hands again. Start by wetting your hands. Use enough soap to cover your hands with lather. Work the soap under fingernails and around and between joints and fingers for a minimum of 20 seconds. Rinse off all that lather with water. And then dry your hands with a clean cloth or a paper towel. Thanks so much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.